Hello and welcome back on my channel, Silvercoins Stacker. It's literally, I just finished recording this video maybe 20 minutes later, yeah. Before I start to pick them up to clean it on the display. My mate was just ringing me and say, oh, look, I got one more. Literally one more. So if you don't mind, we're just gonna carry on. We're gonna do it like a separate video unboxing, but I just carry on with already what we got on the display. And on them ones, yes, I know, your favorite envelopes. It's not as many like the last time. And yes. We see what's that. Let me quick look if it's not an invoice. No, it's not an invoice. It's not an invoice. It looks that, oh yeah, you know guys, what's that? Gold back. It's one gold back. Dakota. So yeah, I got a few of them as well. They packed this nicely. Nice envelope. Let me try not to damage. I'm gonna put it over there for now. And then let's go. It's not a silver. It's something more than silver. And it's not the gold. I wish to be, but it's not. All three 1 ounce copper Aztec calendar. So it's definitely one. It's going for the Side Sandman. I do it every single weeks, Duke race. So it's gonna go to him with my poker chip and the label for the giveaway. So I definitely gonna put it one already on the side. Them two, yeah, we just put them over there. We stick copper with copper. Legendary Warriors, Alexander the Great. So yeah, my collection is gonna be definitely looks better now when we fill them gaps. Oh, guess what? Another one. Genghis Khan. Yeah. Cool. Then 2023. James Bond. 007 Casino Royale. I'm gonna do the short with that. I got few bits and bobs to proper show the coin. You're gonna see it soon. Let me put it on the side. Yeah, come on. Time to speed up, because we're gonna end up with another video. Koala 2024. Beowulf and Gandalf. Oh yeah, it's good. It's just the mark was over there. So it's not that bad. How it looks on the beginning. Perseus. And this one, Hercules, Perseus. It was any more of them? I don't think so. I think it's just them. Okay, that's done. Oh. Lunar 3 series, half ounce silver. Them color ones. And I go for them for my daughter. She enjoyed them, why not? So she can build her own collection as well. Guys, last one. I don't know what's gonna be on the sides. Okay. Oh, that's a nice surprise. Always something. I don't know, guys, they always come to me terrible condition, and it's so difficult to just buy the capsule with the size like that. Let me try to open it. I cannot show you with this kind of condition. Oh, look, guys, just look. That's terrible. Yeah, now it looks much better. We need to try to figure out something. So they're gonna be something better looking than that. Yeah. And the last one. Britannian Liberty. Let me quick look, because I see already. Yeah. Yes. Chickenpox. Yes. It's only bullion. It's only bullion, but anyway, it shouldn't be that way. It shouldn't be. Yeah. So that's all. I see you on the next one, which I believe it might be quite interesting for you guys as well. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much. Just to survive all the unboxing with so many envelopes, bits and bobs and external. So yeah, have a nice day. See you soon.